Okay, so for part B, scale 4, I replaced my cosine with cosecant. And that is because when I drew like vertical asymptotes through the maximins of my cosine, the cosecant graphs were right in the middle. So it worked out good. So first what I did is I just found the vertical asymptotes, which is just your x value of the min and max. And next what I did was I wanted to find the min points and the max points right here. So I did this by, I looked at these two and I know that they share the same y value of 5. And these two share the same y value of 1. So in order to find those minimum points, I plugged in 5 for y into my h of x function. And I just solved this out and I ended up getting this equation right here. And I have to add and subtract this k times pi because the function is repeating itself every pi interval because it has a period of pi. Because you have to take this 2 pi and divide it by 2, so you get the period of pi. So that's how I found my minimum points right there. And then I did the same thing with my maximum points, except I plugged in 1 for y, solved it out, and I ended up getting this solution set right here. And that's how I found my maximins. So in order to find my x-intercepts next, I just plugged 0 in for y, and I solved it out, and I ended up getting 0.635 plus or minus k times pi, because it's repeating itself every pi. And then I know that there's 2, so in order to find the second one, I just kind of drew a closer up picture, and I knew that one of them was 0.6350 because I just saw for that, and the maximum point right here is 0.2151, and I figured that out because I knew my formula for maximum points. So, and then I knew that the distance between these two was 0.4, so the distance between these two had to be 0.4. So that's how I found my second x-intercept of negative 0.206. This is supposed to be negative 2.06, plus or minus that k pi. So that's how I found that. And then finding the y-intercept, it's really simple. You plug in 0 for x, you solve it out, and I got 0.8 as my y value.